Welcome to Izmir, the pearl of the Aegean. Today, we're taking one of the city's most iconic seaside walks. From historic Konak Square to the lively streets of Alsancak. This route captures the true spirit of Izmir. Let's begin. We start at Konak Square, the cultural heart of Izmir. Here stands the city's symbol, the elegant clock tower from 1901. The square is always full of life. Locals, tourists, street vendors, and the sound of seagulls above. A few steps away, the coastline opens to Konak Pier and the ferry port. Ferries glide across the Gulf to Karşıyaka, Bayrak, and Passport. It's not just transport. It's one of the most scenic ways to enjoy Izmir from the water. A short walk inland brings us to Kemeraltı Bazaar, one of Turkey's oldest traditional markets. For over 300 years. It has been a center of trade and culture. Here you'll find spices, or nuts, Turkish delight, lights, handcrafted items, and historic inns and tea houses. Leaving the bazaar, we return to the shoreline. Izmir's modern tram runs parallel to the sea, offering clean and quick transport. But this route is best enjoyed on foot. Next is Gündoğdu Square, one of the city's most open gathering spots. From concerts to peaceful sunsets, it hosts countless moments. Here, the famous Kordon begins. Kordon is the soul of Izmir. A long promenade filled with people walking, cycling, picnicking, and playing music. See on one side, cafes and restaurants on the other. Day or night, Kordon invites you to relax and enjoy the breeze. A little further is Alsancak, one of the most vibrant districts. Cyprus Şehitleri Street is packed with cafes, boutiques, bars, and shops. It stays lively until late and reflects the city's modern lifestyle. We end at Alsancak Ferry Port. Calmer and perfect for a quiet seaside walk. It's also one of the best places to watch the sunset behind the mountains. Thanks for joining me on this walk through one of Izmir's most iconic routes. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And tell me which part of Izmir you want to see next.